McCree, not some mess McCreedy. It is Wednesday. Parlant français, je ne peux pas parler français, parlant français. Ou alors, je suis à la maison. No, no. Je suis chez moi car il pleut dehors. Yes, it was raining just now. Alright, cool. Alright, another quick and simple vlog. Unfortunately, this week's gonna be a very, very boring vlog per se, because I'm busy editing video, busy game dev. I already pushed out a small little update for my stream game dev, so tested, working, good. So that's one function down. Now I need to also put up another new function, and that is I need to find a solution for me to save the game without destroying the saved file. That means every time I do a game update of my game, your save file is still intact, sort of, okay? So that's one thing I need to fix, and unfortunately that's how it is. I need to do that. So there are lots of things I need to, prepare for that, or rather actually, no, not a lot of things. Slowly we'll get there, but that is right now one of the highest priority other than my monthly game dev. And in this case, we are going to do a little bit of armor logic backend, and we're going to do it today. Let's see how the logic goes. Hopefully it works, because on paper I already write it out as best as I can, and if it's properly implemented, I think in terms of combat we are done. Yeah, I'm not going to go too far. So we're going to reduce to 3 elements, kinda. So fire, and then fire beats nature beats water/ice, and water/ice will beat fire. Yes, and then fire, we have a subtype which is lightning, and then once it goes to lightning, there is a chance to that's interesting. So fire can burn, so that's poison. Poison will be a different status, but let's put it this way. Fire can burn, lightning can stun. Alright, so that's that. Nature can life steal or heal. Basically, you use nature and then you heal. Yeah, it's life steal, okay. Water, what about water? Water and if it's ice can freeze. So that's kind of a stun as well. Alright, cool. So we have some of these subtypes all put out there already, which is fantastic. And then we're going to move on to... we need to put that first. Alright, we need to code this triangle, triangle element, rock, paper, scissors, alright? And that will be for tonight. And the update is this weekend. Alright, once I hit this weekend, done. Good. Alright, so that's the most important thing that I want to put to the vlog. Number 2, I got my filament delivered today, yay! Alright, so I'm gonna put a new order this end of the week, if not next week. That will be for the 10 kg, so I can continue my little modeling, 3D printing, and because of that as well, I'm going into a bit more technical things per se. So it's kind of a model kit, so I need to buy some model kit tools. Also, because I got Gundam to build as well, so that's like a huge chunk of project over there. That's mostly on the 3D printing side. A lot of things I bought is mainly for my toy making to sell. So a lot of things I want to learn and whatnot. So I need to get some of the tools, and that would cost me a lot of more money again. So priority filament first. Once I get the filament once I get the filament purchased, then I will move on to the tools that I need. Right, nippers, butane torch. Surprisingly, I need a torch, okay? That is because for 3D printing, there's this little thing called stringing, and you basically use torch to kind of melt it a little bit. And because we are dealing with PLA as well, we are dealing with plastic, so we also need some heat to do a little bit of bendy stuff. And that brings to the next part. I need to get a a heat gun. I need to get a lot of things, right? So slowly we'll get there. So that is not for this month. This month's goal is game dev and digital collection integration thingy. That's it. And of course, need to upload the vlog. Sure to very domain.